Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play 2 versus 2 Clash Royale after the update. The latest patch introduces exciting shifts in card effectiveness and overall game flow, requiring players to adapt swiftly. Many cards received slight adjustments, impacting their role in combined strategies. Mastering these new interactions is absolutely key to climbing the trophy ladder effectively. It's time to refine your approach. Crafting the right deck combination with your partner is more vital than ever before. Aim for complementary cards that cover each other's weaknesses and amplify strengths. For example, one player might bring a heavy tank, while their partner carries air defense and splash damage. Discussing your roles and intended strategies before a match can significantly improve your chances of victory. Coordinate your card choices wisely. In the heat of battle, precise timing and communication are your greatest assets. Try to stack your attacks, using one player's tank to shield the other's damage dealers. Remember to defend both towers, as a sudden push on an undefended lane can quickly end the match. Holding onto Elixir for crucial counter-pushes, especially during the double Elixir phase, can turn the tide. Always think about your partner's hand. Many players struggle by making common errors that are easily preventable. One major mistake is failing to cycle your cards efficiently, often holding onto high-cost cards for too long. Another pitfall involves not anticipating your opponent's moves, leading to reactive instead of proactive plays. Learning from each loss and practicing new team compositions will elevate your gameplay dramatically. Keep pushing forward and communicating effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.